Hello everybody! In this video I want to show you how you can make a linear pattern of a feature with different dimension. Imagine we have a disk such as this and I want to make a linear pattern of this feature but with different dimension. First of all, I go to annotation section and check show feature dimension. Then I click on linear pattern and in pattern direction section should choose this dimension. What is important is that this vary sketch box should be checked. If I just choose this feature, what you see is just straight pattern. But if I choose vary sketch, the result is different. Now we have a disk with different cuts. And if I change this 90 degree, the result is different as well.